if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
We almost attended someone else's wedding. Oh, look at that tower. Yeah, look at that.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,
What do you mean, sir?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing.
This is all the unhealthy
you think
eating.
that this amusing.
All that Diet Coke.
Sitting there gaslighting
And
me,
look at this.
confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid.
That's where we came
I
from.
wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been
So we are
wounded.
as high as these trees.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Look at that.
Never
Guess
really
the
know just
name
what you
of this park.
With you, I don't ever feel
It's
calm.
called Doctor's Park.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play
So
with
if
me
you are
like
a
cats
patient,
and a string.
Come
You
here
don't
and take a
understand the pain
treatment.
it brings. You don't ever wanna give me
No,
wings.
I'm kidding.
You don't ever wanna set me free.
Yeah, there's the point.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right
Okay, I guess it's time to take some
lay down
pictures.
and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get
Yeah, this is called gravity. You don't have to walk. You will just roll there. It's this decline or slope. This is the fastest I've ever seen you. You could never, walk with me. So this is the first time, and nature is helping you.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'm a...
People have this. And there's a lot of pebbles. Look at these rocks. We can toss some of them. See? Wanna see? I think waves are bigger here. Here there is like literally 15 people. Yeah, there is 15 people. We have like what? 500? 500 at least. Welcome back. उतरने में तो काफी मजा आया था ना. Now you have to work twice as hard as you normally would, right? Oh, अच्छा मैम साइंस में हम फेल हो गए थे. दादा हमें मत बता. किसने कहा? What are you having?
I am having boba tea.
Okay.
Boba shake actually,
Yeah.
not boba tea.
So there's chocolate.
No, this is boba.
Oh, this is boba, and this is a strawberry
Strawberry
shake.
shake.
Okay. Go ahead. Easy. You good?
See, you know?
It's more like a bubble gum taste.